Sending money from PayPal to Binance is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Binance. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into its site, click Login to your account. To log into your account, you have to enter your email or phone number, then tap on Next. After getting into your Binance account, tap on Wallet and go into Fiat and Spot. Then scroll down to the Bitcoin deposit option. Now select a network type from where you want to send the Bitcoin. Then copy the deposit address from here and open up the PayPal site in the new tab. Now tap to log in to your PayPal account by entering your email and password. Once you get into your PayPal account, click on Wallet. As you can see, there's only two options here, either a new card or bank. So to make a withdrawal, simply follow these steps. Open up a new tab and search here Skrill. Then click to open its site. You can transfer or send money through Skrill. It can be used on various platforms. It also offers multiple ways through which you can withdraw your money. So by using a third-party platform, you can withdraw money easily. Simply create your account on Skrill and add your PayPal information in here. Then you can easily withdraw money.